Hello, welcome to Word Sound Families, and we're going to look at different letter patterns that actually make the same sounds. Now you're going to notice in this that some letter patterns actually have various sounds, so I know it's English, it's a little bit crazy. Our first family member, we're looking for the sound of ought. Our first letter pattern is OT, lot, pot, not, and plot. And our second letter pattern is ught, as in bought, fought, sought, and taught. Now this one is the craziest family. The ough sound is very difficult. Let's take a look at this crazy family. The ough sound in these words, rough, tough, enough, all contain an uff sound. The ough sound in though and although has a go sound in it. And this word is pronounced through, and it's a homonym for the past tense of throw, through. And our last ough sound is off, as in cough. Okay, now we're going to look for the sound of ight. ight letter pattern, fight, sight, right, light, and might. The ite letter pattern, bite, sight, and kite. Let's build some vocabulary with some homonyms. Site, S-I-T-E, is a location, like a website. Sight, S-I-G-H-T, is a vision. You certainly are a sight for sore eyes. Family 4 contains the air sound. A-I-R pattern, stare, lair, pair, affair, hair, and fair. A-R-E in this family, care, dare, beware, fair, hair, and bear. The EAR pattern in this family, tear, bear, pair, and wear. EIR, and that would be air, and this would be the person that's going to get all of your things when you pass away. The ERR word pattern, error, terrible, and terror. Homonym alert, PAIR, pear, is two, and PEAR, pear, is a fruit. There is a pair of pears in the fridge. Hair, HAIR, the things that cover your head and your arms and your legs, a body cover, that would be your hair. And hair, HARE, is a rabbit. Bugs Bunny is a hare. FAIR, fair, means just, and fair, FARE, means a fee. I thought $10 was a fair price for the fare to the airport. Bare, BARE, means not covered. It's sunny today, don't go out bareheaded. Bear, BEAR, is an animal. A bear got into our trash. Ready to be confused? We're going to talk about heteronyms. Heteronyms are words that are spelled the same, have different pronunciation according to context. In the air family, this is pronounced tear. I have a tear in my shirt. It might be helpful if you watch this video on heteronyms. I've included the link in the description. Family number 5, looking for a strong ear sound. EAR pattern, hear, dear, fear, gear, and tear. The EER pattern, we will find dear, queer, peer, steer, and beer. And ERE, we would find hear, mere, and interfere. Our homonyms include dear, DEAR, which means term of endearment, and D-E-E-R, which is the animal, think of Bambi. Hear, H-E-A-R, which means to pick up sounds, and here, H-E-R-E, which is location. I am right here, so I can hear you very easily. Remember heteronym. Remember, the sound we're looking for in this family is ear. So this T-E-A-R will be pronounced tear. Let's put that in a sentence. I have a tear in my eye because I have a tear in my new jacket. Family number 6, the eighth sound. Letter pattern A-T-E, as in great, mate, date, rate, rotate, and fate. E-I-G-H-T, as in eight, fright, and wait. A-I-T pattern, wait and bait. E-A-T, as in great. Our homonyms are grate, G-R-A-T-E, which means to shred. I'm going to grate some cheese for the pizza. And great, G-R-E-A-T, means wonderful. This is a great day. Wait, W-A-I-T, means delay. I will wait for you at the mall. And W-E-I-G-H-T means what something weighs. My weight has gone up since I got married. Next family, containing 4 members, is the ANE sound family. Our first member, A-N-E, we will hear that sound in vain and cane and lane, Jane and Dane. Letter pattern A-I-N, rain, vain, gain, pain, contain, maintain, and remain. E-I-G-N, as in feign and rain. And E-I-N, as in vain. Let's look at our homonyms. Vane, V-A-N-E, like a weather vane. That's a device that measures the direction of the wind. Vain, V-A-I-N, means conceited or arrogant. She is such a vain person. V-E-I-N, a vessel for blood. I have such small veins, it's hard for the doctor to draw blood. Rain, R-A-I-N, precipitation. We definitely need some rain. And reign, R-E-I-G-N, is how long royalty rules. Queen Elizabeth's reign lasted 50 years. The sound of EEN will be in family 8. Letter pattern E-E-N, between, teen, seen, keen, and spleen. E-A-N, bean, dean, lean, mean, wean, and clean. Word pattern E-N-E, seen, gene, kerosene. And lastly, I-N-E, gasoline, visine, Vaseline. Homonym seen, S-E-E-N, past participle of the verb to see. I will be seen by the doctor after 2. Seen, S-C-E-N-E, which is an image. The chase scene was my favorite part of the movie. Family number 9, the ale sound. Letter pattern A-L-E, sail, male, pale, tail, and gale. A-I-L letter pattern, sail, male, pale, tail, retail, hail, jail, and nail. So we have quite a few vocabulary building homonyms that start with sail, S-A-L-E, means discount. Sail, S-A-I-L, as a noun means a material that catches the wind. As a verb, it's movement across the water. I bought a new sail for my sailboat because it was on sale. Let's try mail, M-A-L-E, that's a man. M-A-I-L, things delivered by the mailman. My mail is always on time. Pale, P-A-L-E, means white or pasty. I was a little pale from having the flu. Pail, P-A-I-L, is a bucket. I need a pail of water to wash my car. Tale, T-A-L-E, is a story. I like to tell you a tale about my adventures. Tail, T-A-I-L, part of an animal. That dog has a very funny looking tail. Family number 10, looking for the sound of eek. Letter pattern E-E-K. Our words would be deep, creep, sleep, and weak. E-A-K pattern, leak, speak, and weak. Homonym weak, W-E-A-K, means not strong. W-E-E-K is 7 days. I was very weak after having the flu for a full week. Last family member is the sound of eel. The E-A-L sound, meal, deal, reel, steal, and heel. E-E-L, we have feel, kneel, K is silent, heel, and steal. Okay, some homonyms. Steal, S-T-A-L. That's take something without permission. I hope nobody steals my car. I forgot to lock it. Steel, S-T-E-E-L. That's a strong metal. Superman was known as the Man of Steel. Heal, H-E-A-L, means to get better. Heel, H-E-E-L, is part of the foot. The cut on my heel is beginning to heal. FYI, the text for this lesson will be in the description. Take the homonym quiz. Pause the video if you need a little more time. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button, and if you haven't, subscribe.